Today, June 14th, 2009, and I'm going to go for a tour of the burned up house, which we need to document here. There's the motorhome we've been living in for 2 or 3 months because we had a fire on January 9th. And here's the main house. So you can see all the demolition is complete, and we've got some stuff going on here that shows some hope. The electrical wiring has gone in. You can see where the fixtures for the lights are placed. And we're changing the kitchen around a little bit. We've got these two nice corner windows here that Cheryl will be able to look through when she's using the sink. And then over here we've removed this wall in between the living room and the dining room. And you can see it's an architectural feature. We went out and got this nice European style fireplace. It's a gas fireplace that's electrical fired or ignited by electricity. Should be very nice. Then walking through the house, this entryway here is all going to be changed, but the demolition people haven't gone to that yet. And pretty much everything else is just in studs. Now back here, this used to be a 3-bedroom house. We're turning it into a 2-bedroom house. The old master bedroom is staying pretty much the same, but what used to be Billy's bedroom and the music room, we've turned this all into one larger room. And you can see here in the back, there's going to be a closet right there, and then the bathroom right there. And then we have a nice little garden door right here. It's there on top of the dog food feeding station.
Oh, I just looked.
Yeah, 2 of them, because I picked one blue one up from the ground. I need to get some photos of this so that we can place it later on if we need to locate it.
Well, somewhere online we have a whole ton of still photos of the day of the fire.
What?
We have a bunch of still photos from the day of the fire.
Oh, I know. Oh, you mean to put in the video blog?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was thinking about that.